Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a GV60. Customer complained the front parking sensors aren't working. As you can see there, we got the triangle warning light there. So we're just gonna scan for codes. Let's go for I think we're gonna go ADS parking, and let's go to the IBU, if there's IBU here, IBU BCM. So let's see what code we have here. Go ADS driving, and then ADS parking. We got a code there for a front outer left ultrasonic failure. Okay, so I'll just take a picture for that. Save. Now we're gonna go to the system data, ADS parking. Okay, so we got that's all rear, so we're gonna go for front left inner, front inner, front outer left, front outer right, front left side, front side right. Let's graph that. The side is showing now the distance and what it's measuring, and then I'm just gonna go put our shifter lever to drive. As we can see here, all our outer right, inner right, and inner left are working, but there's no data going on outer left. So next is we're gonna go outside the car. Let's just visually check that, and if not, everything is good, we're gonna lift up the vehicle and check underneath. Okay, so here's our front inner left, this is our front inner outer, and this is our side. So far there's no damage here. Let's go lift this vehicle up and see what's underneath here. Alright guys, so I remove our undercover here, but there's no access anything here. It's all tight, so I have no choice but to remove this bumper, right? So I'm gonna remove the bumper and let's inspect that further. Okay, so I remove our bumper. There's a lot of stuff to remove. You remove your side trim here on the trim pieces here, like that, and also this guy here. This one is gonna go in first. And our problem sensor here, that's why we cannot see because it's covered in this foam. You can see there, that's broken. So it's either this one got pushed in, but the thing is there's no damage here on the exterior wise. Maybe they fixed that, I don't know, but this one is broken, the connector itself. So yeah, this guy needs a new sensor. I think I'm just gonna end this with this diagnosis here, because it's just pretty straightforward. We know that it's broken here, that's very obvious. So once the part comes in, I'm just gonna put it in, and it should fix the parking distance warning issue. So there you go guys. Even though it doesn't show any exterior damage, we have to really go in further, especially in this case. We have to remove the bumper and see physically the sensor, if it's broken or not. So I guess that's it. Alright guys, so welcome again. We got our sensor for this GV60 with the parking front sensor's fault. So I removed our bumper, and I showed last time, I didn't want to the whole process, but a quick rundown on what to remove the trim pieces. So I hope that helps. And so the same color here, and this guy here. Now we just have to, I guess, move this foam here. Can I move this foam? Let's just move that foam a little bit so more space. There we go. I can see all the broken stuff already. So that's our connector there. That's broken. I don't know how it got broke, because I don't see any damage on the front of the bumper. Alright, it could be just pushing a little bit. I don't know. And this guy, I hope the... Oh, someone already was here trying to fix it. So you can see that connector there, the female one. So they went... I didn't see this last time because I didn't remove this. I just saw the whole sensor was broken. But I think this one, they tried to fix this already. Someone tried to fix this because it looks like there's a black glue there, right? And now we have a broken wire. So how I'm gonna remove this guy? So, as I can see here, that, let me just remove this tape here. Double check this black wire here because I can see the wire already. Okay, so it's not that broken. I don't know if you guys can see, it's too far. So that part on that black wire, there's some cutting there, but I think it's not a big deal because this wire strand is still intact. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover that with liquid electrical tape, right? Like that, and then I'm just gonna tape that up. So we're gonna cover it again. That should be fine there. Our connector looks like it's not that great, but I think that should be still okay, right? Plug this guy in, put this back in. Okay, so that's our new sensor there. Now let's just put this. What happened on this one? Is it because the foam? Okay, so yeah, I put our new sensor there. I'm gonna put everything back together and let's recheck the system. Alright guys, so I put everything back together. Let's just quickly check if we have some codes. In this one, we're gonna be on the ADAS parking. Let's check that. BCM, where's our BCM? Okay, so there's no ADS driving. BCM, no codes. Okay, so that's good. Let's start this vehicle. And then we're just gonna go drive. There we go. So, oops. Last time, every time I put in drive, our front parking sensor doesn't work. Right? There's a fault that, you know, there's something wrong with it. So there you go guys. I know there's not much in there on our video. There's no diagnosis. What I find in this type of problems, especially the sensors, blind spot and everything, the diagnosis for this stuff are all, maybe 80% is all visual inspection, because it's very prone to exterior damage, right? Someone hit the car, someone bumped the car, you hit something. So, and the 20% could be an electrical issue. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.